Okay, so in our last video, we matched our point slope forms to our y-intercept forms. And now in this video, I'm kind of just going to explain how I would match each y-intercept to the graphs, right? So the kind of tips and tricks. So we're going to kind of start, I've kind of already written what I was doing here. But for number one, a key point we already can easily find, right, is our y-intercept. So when you plug in 0 for x, right, what do you get? 9. So we have a 0, 9, and we have a slope of 2/3. So that means we are going up 2 and over 3. So let's see if we can find something that matches that form. And indeed we do right here, which is where I'm showing here. We have a 0, 9, and we have an up 1 and over 2. You can also plug in these points back into it. Okay, so number 2. Again, we're going to plug in 0 for x. What do we get? We get 7. So we have a slope of 1/2. That means, again, right, we're going up 1 and over 2. So let's see if we can find anything that has a slope of 1/2 and a y-intercept of 0, 7. So we're going to go around and see, and we do have one right here. We have our 0, 7, and we have our up 1 and over 2. Again, you can plug in these points and you will get that answer. Okay, number 3. Again, we have our intercept, right? We plug 0 for x, we get 0, 10. And we have a slope of 1 here, so we're going up 1 and over 1. So number 3, so let's see if we can find anything that matches that. And indeed we do right here. It passes through 0, 10, and we have that matching slope there. Okay, number 4. Number 4, we have plugging in 0 for 3, right? And here I have that slope, that 1. Plug in 0 and we get 0, 3. So we can find something that matches 0, 3 and our slope. So let's go through. And I think we have it right here. 0, 3 and up 1 and over 1. All right, number 5. So number 5, we have a slope of 1/2, so that's up 1 and over 2. However, we have a negative intercept here. We have 0, -2. So let's find one that has this, and we do have it right here. Our 0, -2, and our correct slope. Okay. Number 6. Number 6, we have a slope of -1. That is meaning that we are going down 1 and over 1. And then our intercept is 0, 5. Let's see if we can find that match, which I think we found it right here. And that's where we can see it is a negative slope, and it has that matching point. All right, number 7. So number 7, we have a -2 as our slope. So that's meaning we are going down 2 and over 1. And we have an intercept of 0, 8. So let's figure out here if we have that matching, right? We have a 0, 8, and we're going down 2. Yeah, down 2 and over 1. And that's where we have that matching points. Okay, number 8. So number 8, we have a slope of 2/3. So that's meaning we're going up 2 and over 3. And our intercept here is 0, -1, right? Because you plug in that x, or 0 for x, you get 0, -1. So let's see if we can find that match up here. And we do have a 0, -1. And then we do have our matching slope. All right, final one, number 9. So we have a slope of -2, right? So -2 means we are going down 2 and over 1. And we have a negative intercept here again. So we're looking for a 0, -6, and also a negative slope. So indeed we have a negative slope here. This is our final one, right? And we do have an intercept at -0, -6. And we are getting that slope. And again, you can also plug in these points. Because that's also another way you could have done this activity. You could have plugged these points into your y-intercept to see if you have a match. But yeah. So that is, I'm going to pause this right here so you can see kind of the matching. But yeah, that is all I have for activity 2 of fall of 2025 ULA activities.